Welcome, EGC Team Building 2025. Sa lahat ng mga bago, welcome. Sa lahat ng mga luma, welcome back. Thank you very much. You're still here. Our goal, to come out of this event, sharing the same values and working together for the same goals. Dito ko makikita kung sino talaga magiging maganda ang career. Usually, it's the one who's really engaged. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng sabihin sa akin na certain building lang naman to. Doon ako engaged pag totoong trabaho kasi activity lang naman to, bakasyon to. No. The reason we do this is because we would like you to understand what it takes.
Kung paano tayo gumising ngayong umagang to, paano tayo excited pumunta sa araw na to, it's ganun din ma-transpire natin yung everyday life natin sa pagpasok na lagi tayong excited. Asahan ko ba yon?
Yes, ma'am!
Okay, thank you. Good luck sa ating lahat.
Natutunan ko sa 8 years bilang employee ng EGC is di dapat susuko, tsaka ayun nga, laban lang.
Take this day as your feature, as your window to your future. We will change everything. The way we move, the way we think, the way we work together, the way we see each other. Being united makes the company so stable. Pag iisa tayo ng takbo,
pakikitao po, yun po talaga ang importante. Kasi po, kasama natin siya hanggang mag-success po tayo.
Importante sa pagiging selfless mo, maging concerned ka dun sa trabaho mo. Pagdating ng panahon, ikaw rin naman ang mag-aani nun.
that's what I'm trying to tell you, no? Delay lang. So what? You know what I mean? Let's enjoy the ride. Let's all have fun. Be together. Be good Christians. Be good people while getting to our goal. And just let's be together. Yeah? This is the only way that we can be united.
One spirit,
One go, EGC as one.